Hello everyone, my name is Ma. For this assignment, I chose the SAMR model, developed by Dr. Ruben Puentedura. SAMR stands for Substitution, Augmentation, Modification, and Redefinition. The model is a framework for integrating technology into teaching and learning with the end goal of transforming learning experiences. If I were to explain SAMR process step by step to a client for designing an instructional event or training application, it would go like this. First, I would introduce the client to the SAMR model, which stands for substitution, wherein technology replaces a traditional tool with no functional changes. An example would be using a tablet instead of a textbook. A stands for augmentation, which technology substitutes but with added functionality. An example would be using a digital textbook with hyperlinks and search functionalities. The third would be modification, wherein technology allows for significant redesign of tasks. An example would be collaborative writing using a shared document with real-time editing. And the last step would be redefinition, which is technology enables tasks that were previously inconceivable, such as conducting virtual collaborations on a shared project. Explaining the SAMR model would set the stage for understanding how the instructional design will progressively integrate technology to enhance learning. The second step would be to go over the step-by-step breakdown of the design for the client. For each step of the SAMR, we would specify the what, the why, the where, the when, and the how. We start by identifying the learning outcomes for the instructional event or training, and we would ask the questions, what would the learners need to accomplish by the end? These would allow us to pinpoint where and how technology can enhance the learning experience. For example, if the goal is to train employees on how new software would be used, the learning objectives might be focused on understanding the core functionalities and applying them to real-world tasks. Again, for each step of the SAMR, we would determine and we would specify the what, the why, the where, the when, and the how. I would also emphasize that the SAMR model is not linear, that it can be revisited and adapted as we progress through the design. We might start, for example, at substitution, but can move back and forth between the stages based on on the needs of the learners and the technological capabilities that the client may have. Throughout the explanation, I would also emphasize that the SAMR model can be tailored to meet the client's particular goals and resources. For example, if they are hesitant about advanced technology, we might only focus on the substitution and augmentation stages. And then if they are more technologically advanced, we could focus on the higher levels of modifications and redefinitions. In conclusion, using the SAMR model ensures that the design of the instructional event or training application is intentional, gradually integrating technology in ways that improve learning outcomes, engagement, and real-world applicability. This systematic approach makes it easy to track the progress and adapt based on learner feedback and evolving technological capabilities of the clientele. Thank you for listening and have a great day.